was telling you the method, or what could be the method, that is the dry droplet method is the most common one that is always applied, whereas matrix and analyte are mixed in a ratio. Then 1 to 2 approximately microliter droplet is applied to the target plate that contains the holes in it, as I just mentioned before. The solvent is allowed to evaporate from that, and matrix and analyte, then they simply co-crystallize, right? Co-crystallize. And the other method which is also applicable is on the plate by mixing together. The other method I was telling you was on plate mixing, right? So there, you can quote down the references from which I've prepared this video for you people. It is simply sample preparation for MALDI-TOF mass spectrometry ARCC chem, right? So this is from that. You can refer both the videos, and you can find out that I've made a bit, simpler form of that video, so that you can easily understand how you're going to prepare your sample for the instrumentation, and how you are going to prepare a matrix solution first, and how you're going to prepare the analyte solution, and how you're going to mix them together, and how you're going to place it over the steel plate that has a lot of holes in it for multiple analysis simultaneously, and then how you're going to by what are those 2-3 methods I just mentioned, right? And then you let that droplet evaporate, let it dry, and then you will see that there is a crystalline portion over there that would be analyzed. So thank you very much for watching this video. I hope you got few information regarding these steps, and you will follow them, and you will again go through the video. If you don't follow, you go through it again for thrice, because it's there. And the reason of making this video, these videos are all available on YouTube, but the reason of making them again is that you can refer to the original videos. Through my video, you will refer to the other videos, and you will come to know that what was the work and how it was done, right? And my videos will help you out in a more simpler form, in a more simpler way. You will be able to follow them, right? And because when we study, from where do we study? We study from the books, right? We take help from the books. We need books. We need some references, right? When we are preparing our notes, or when we are preparing for exams, we do need to refer something. So this is what I'm referring now. The things are all online, right? Everybody can see what I'm saying. Everybody can watch what I am talking to you, from where I'm referring to you. There are all softwares, sensitive software available. Whatever I'm speaking can even be noted down easily, and can easily be found out that from where I took these points. But this is only the way to explain to my students that how in a simple form you can easily understand the whole process of MALDI-TOF mass spectrometer. So I hope you enjoyed this, and I hope you will be benefited from this video, and you will go through again. It is also for my postgraduate students, those who are in PhD, those who are in masters, those who are in MPhils. This is a very helpful video, because they have been using these techniques, and those who have not used, they will now use with this knowledge. So they will have, they will feel a bit more, you can say, strong, because when you have the power of knowledge, you feel stronger, right? So I hope we'll join in our next video. Thank you very much.